So here we go. The lineup for semi-final 2. And the athletes are in lane 2, Crystal Slowly, Jodine Williams in 3, Tia Clayton listed for 4, Elaine Thompson-Herah listed for 5, Alana Reid should be in 6, Serena Cole listed for 7, and Shanoya Oliver will be running from lane 8. Those are the athletes listed for semi-final 2. Let's see if they've all reported. But certainly, we hope there's no drama in this one.
No more drama.
I think if there's no drama, we're going to miss it a little bit.
Tell that to the athletes when they're ready to go. They simply just want to get out onto the track and just get it out of the way, especially from the mental aspect of things. This is Elaine Thompson-Herah, who has shown good form this season, anchored Jamaica to gold at the World Relays in Botswana. The two-time double sprint champion at the Olympics. Jodine Williams, always colorful, and one of the 11 Jamaican women who've gone sub-11 already this season.
All right, now it appears that with Tia Clayton not there, that this could have been the confusion. So Tina thought she was in lane 4 as she was earlier. But as we look at Crystal Slowly, 679, she is also a sub-11 girl. Not this year, but she has done 1099 already as her personal best.
Presenting UTEC. This is Jodine Williams of Sprint Tech.
Newest kid on the block as well for the sub-11 group, 1097 this year. She did that in Texas running with Sabrina Dockery. Trains at Sprint Tech as well.
Up next is the two-time Olympic double sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah, who is showing a return to form, and she'll be running from lane 5 representing elite performance.
Proving a lot of people wrong this year. 1092, her best this season.
And the crowd goes wild for the two-time double Olympic sprint champion Elaine Thompson-Herah, and she's just soaking up all this adulation
also the
from the spectators. Yes, indeed. This is Alana Reid, she will be running from lane 6.
Our national junior record holder, 1092 at her best.
The reigning world under 20 champion as well. Serena Cole, former Edwin Allen High standout, will be running from lane 7 representing Swept Track Club.
Trains with Appeal Stewart.
And in lane 8, this is Shanoya Oliver.
Has not yet broken 12 seconds, so she is really up against it in this semi-final. Lots to discover here.
On your marks.
Jodine Williams, I think the form runner.
Yep. Center their blocks for semi-final 2 of the women's 100 meters. So it's Slowly in 2, Williams in 3, Thompson-Herah in 5, Reid in 6, Cole in 7, and in lane 8 is Oliver. On screen there, the irrepressible Elaine Thompson-Herah. A return to form for her so far this season. Set position. Sent off a clean break. Reid gets out quickly. So too does Jodine Williams. Stepping forward now is Thompson-Herah, but Jodine Williams has the measure of the field here. Williams gets it ahead of Thompson-Herah. And Reid came through as well for third.
Wow, they're showing it as Alana Reid on the line. We're going to have to see this one again and again.
Yeah, for sure, because
and again.
Jodine Williams was out there.
That's a huge season's best for Alana.
Yeah, Jodine Williams second. So those are the two going through automatically. Alana Reid. Oh no, are they going to change it?
Yeah. Jodine Williams looks as if she really got the win there.
Oh no, and they have now switched it to Thompson-Herah second, and they're putting Jodine Williams all the way at third.
Wow.
So here's the start. At this point, Jodine Williams in lane number 3 looks best of all. Elaine Thompson-Herah has not yet gotten into her stride, but here she comes. Jodine Williams leading. Alana Reid getting a season's best. And woo! So, yep, Alana Reid, 11.17. Elaine Thompson-Herah, 11.18 for second. And Jodine Williams, 11.19. So, Crystal slowly down at 11.35. Blanket finish. Alana Reid, is that her season's best? I think
that is a season's best for her. Alana Reid and Crystal slowly getting season's best
here
times
we go.
there.
Reid 11.17, Thompson-Herah 11.18, Williams 11.19, slowly 11.35 is Shania Oliver 12.46, and Cole finishing down the track 13.63.
Wagwan, my Jamaican family, and once again welcome back to the Yadi Reacts. If it is for the first time you are checking me out, kindly subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I'd want to say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving on to me. Whereby today, guys, our video features the coverage of semi-final 2 of the women's 100 meter at the JAAA Puma National Junior and Senior Championships. Whereby on to these, I just want to provide a play-by-play analysis of the athletes, their season form and their performances on the track. Here we go to the highlights, whereby there is the introduction and lineup, and the video introduces the field of athletes competing, including notable names like Elaine Thompson-Herah, Alana Reid and Jodine Williams. On to the race, a highly competitive race unfolds where Jodine Williams initially leads, but the results are subject to a tight finish and a subsequent review of the standings, whereby the final results, the official times are confirmed with Alana Reid winning at 11.17 seconds, followed by Elaine Thompson-Herah at 11.18 seconds, and Jodine Williams at 11.19 seconds. And this event highlights the intense competition among Jamaica's top sprinters as they strive for national recognition. And we dive in on to the question, whereby why did the race result change? A question that maybe a lot of you may be asking yourself. And the race result were updated following a review of the finish, which led officials to switch the initial placing. The video notes that while Jodine Williams appeared to be leading the race initially, the final standing were adjusted to place Alana Reid in first, Elaine Thompson-Herah in second, and Jodine Williams in third. And again, who was missing from the lineup? In addition to Elaine Thompson-Herah, Alana Reid and Jodine Williams, the lineup for the women's 100 meter semi-final 2 included the following athletes. We had Crystal slowly running out of lane 2, Serena Cole and Edwin Ellen High, standout representing Swept Track Club, running from lane 7, and we had Shania Oliver running from lane 8 straight. And how close was this finish, if you may be asking yourself? And the finish of the semi-final was extremely close, resulting in a blanket finish where the athletes were separated by only hundreds of seconds. And because of the race was so tight, the initial unofficial result were adjusted after a review of the photo finish, and the final official times were Alana Reid 11.17 seconds, as I told you earlier on, Elaine Thompson-Herah 11.18 seconds, and Jodine Williams with 11.19 seconds. And just to continue, what separated the top 3 finishers. The competition between the top 3 finishers was extreme close, resulting in a blanket finish where the athletes were separated by only 100th of a second between each place. The final official result determined by the photo finish. I told you that earlier on. And in the case, who anchored Jamaica to victory in Botswana, if you may be asking the such question. According to the video, Elaine Thompson-Herah anchored the Jamaican team to a gold medal at the World Relays in Botswana. And again, how fast was the winning time? You know, maybe because there was a change, and the Jamaican women's team, anchored by Elaine Thompson-Herah, secured the gold medal in the 4x100 meter relay at the World Athletics Relay in Gaborone, Botswana, with a winning time of 42.00 seconds. That just to touch a little bit on the race that was performed by Elaine Thompson-Herah, and which runner trains at the Sprint Tech Club. According to the commentary in the video, Jordine Williams trains at Sprint Tech. Yeah, so what did the athletes face mentally? Whereby here it is noted that for athletes, the most significant mental challenge is simply waiting to get out onto the track and perform to get the race over with. Being a high-stake semi-final, the athletes focus on clearing the mental aspects of the competition so they can execute the race. Once more, what defined the runners' pre-race routine? And for the athletes in the high-stakes semi-final, the pre-race routine is defined by a need to manage the mental pressure and transition into competition mode. The commentators emphasize that the primary goal for these runners is to get out onto the track and execute their race, to move past mental aspect of the competition as quickly as possible. So guys, that leads us to the end of our video. I hope you have watched it to the end and you have enjoyed onto the performance that was made by these Jamaican athletes, and you know, by the victory they have provided onto the country. We give them a round of applause, and to each and every athlete that participated onto this race, I just want to give them, you know, the flowers, mainly because they have done great, and may the Almighty continue granting them full strength so as we can continue watching them onto the same tracks each and every now and then. So guys, thank you very much for following up the video with me. I was your host, Yadi Reacts. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I do want to say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving unto me. Always remember to link me up through my next videos. All I do want to say is peace out there.